Imagine this. You're reading a book. Suddenly, a notification pops up on your phone. Your eyes shift to the screen. Your mind already lost in reels. And just like that, another hour is gone. Be honest. Don't you often feel at the end of the day, I didn't actually do anything today? Because the truth is, we're addicted to our phones. But today, I'm going to show you how to break free from this addiction and reset your brain using something called a dopamine detox. So what exactly is a dopamine detox? Dopamine is the feel-good chemical in your brain, the one responsible for motivation and rewards. When you watch a funny TikTok, get a love on Instagram, or find a satisfying YouTube short, your brain gets a hit of dopamine. It feels good, so you want more. Again and again and again. But here's the problem. When your brain gets too much dopamine from fast, cheap pleasure, it stops enjoying anything that takes effort. Reading, studying, working. Everything feels boring now. That's where dopamine detox comes in. A dopamine detox simply means hitting the reset button on your brain. You take a break from things like your phone, social media, video games, so your brain can relearn how to enjoy real life again. It's like a guy who only eats junk food all day. To him, healthy home-cooked meals taste bland. But a detox helps that guy rediscover the taste of real, nutritious food again. Why do most people fail at dopamine detox? A lot of people start a detox, and by day 2, they say, "Bro, I can't do this. It's so boring." And they're right, it will feel boring. Your brain is used to fast pleasure, and suddenly, you cut it all off. That's why during detox, you need to create better alternatives. Instead of scrolling, listen to a cool podcast. Instead of reels, take a walk with music. Don't turn the detox into torture. Turn it into an adventure. So, how do you actually start? Step 1, pick one full day. No phone, no scrolling, no distractions, just real life. Step 2, offload or hide apps that waste your time. You don't have to delete them forever. Just make them harder to reach. Step 3, start your morning with a no-screen routine. For example, water, journal, 10-minute walk. Step 4, whenever you feel the urge to check your phone, take a breath and talk to yourself instead. Trust me, the things inside your own mind will surprise you. Sometimes they'll scare you, and sometimes they'll bring you peace. The final message. Imagine this. If you spent just 1 hour a day away from your phone and gave that hour to your real life, in 1 year, you could become an entirely new version of yourself. So right now, put your phone down for a while, close your eyes and ask yourself, who do I actually want to become? And if you're truly ready to change your life, then go watch my next video, How to Build Unbreakable Discipline. Because detox is what gets you started, but discipline is what helps you win.